Yeah. Like, I'll even give you $5 for even trying. Like.
I'm just doing this as a precursor to taking cinnamon. Alright, let's see what happens. Actually, oh, this looks painful.
Yeah. That is.
Doesn't smell like anything at least. One time, apparently George Bush was caught reading a book called Salt of the World. Can I save this till after my pasta maybe? Because I won't be able to eat after this. I'm gonna have to just go home and go to sleep.
Oh,
here it goes, here it goes.
It's so painful. I don't know if I want to watch this. It's like torture. Yeah. Look at it. That's awful. Oh, look at that. That's awful.
Alright.
Oh, Jordan, I don't know. I don't know. It's so painful though, like visually.
Plug your nose. Plug your nose.
No, melt the injector. Oh my god. Oh. Jeez. Oh my god.
Oh, there it is. Oh man, that was so bad. I think it's worse than cinnamon.